My tires have like 100 laps, so they're a bit slippery.
A little bit.
But they're still pretty good actually.
Yeah, they feel alright for the passenger seat too. Right out to the edge again.
Yeah, you have to. We paid for all the track, right?
Yep. Just nipping the curb there. That's the first time I've taken that one.
Oh yeah? If I'm full send, I always take it.
Feel the tires are kind of giving out.
Yeah. I mean, I think they're still very good. Like, I didn't think they would last that long.
They still got sufficient grip.
Yeah, they're still. That's what's good with the Trofeo, is that like they grip until the end.
Yeah, that's important.
Like the Cup 2, after like 50%,
yeah,
you have nothing left.
But that's because they're heat cycled as well.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's not a place you want to brake hard.
Nope. Car was all over the place. And here's the yellow again.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but that's the thing with a central engine.
Yep.
Is that like it moves around a lot.
Yep.
And it's funny because like I have a friend who drives a 992 GT3 here.
Okay.
And like so he's not very like he drives the same time as me.
Okay.
Which is not very fast for a 992 GT3. And
I guess not.
And like so he came for a lap with me. And it was like, man, your car is like you're almost crashing at every corner. I'm like, no, I'm not. Like, your car is moving everywhere. I'm like, yeah, but you have a GT3.
The engine's in the back.
Yeah, you just floor it and like it just doesn't move.
Yeah.
Like in Streetenquoits. So he's like a slower driver than me.
Okay.
But he goes into Streetenquoits like 15 kilometers faster than with my car.
Okay, yeah.
Just because he has like so much grip. And like it's crazy because when he went with me, like the car moves a bit under braking in Streetenquoits.
Yeah.
And I saw him become like so tense. He was like, yeah, thanks. But it did wobble a bit. Is it still yellow or?
Not here.
No, not here.
It'll be coming up again. Might be, but it's all right here. Little jump. Woohoo.
Love that part.
Oh yeah.
Right, just like dips in.
If I do it correctly in my car, the rear end just starts to slide a little bit, and you put in some power, and it just hooks and goes.
Aw, damn it. He messed up the jump for us.
Yeah.